Now, I'm going to give you a topic to talk about for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to plan what you're going to say, and you can make notes if you wish. Here's a pen and paper. I'm going to talk about an occasion when I was stuck in a traffic jam in England. As for when and where this was, it was Christmas time. I was driving on my way down to Devon to see my family who live down there. It's along a road, along the, I don't know, one of these A roads that passes Stonehenge, which is a popular place for tourists to visit. At the time, everything was just stuck dead because at holiday time, there's a mass exodus from some cities as people go to visit friends and relatives. I guess it must have lasted for about 2 hours, which is not so long, but it does feel like a long time when you're just waiting. It was part of a 4-hour drive anyway, so overall the day was definitely over 6 hours of driving for me. As for what I did, I basically just waited. I listened to music, I sang loudly to myself, thought about lots of things. So yeah, it wasn't too bad for me. So I suppose overall, yes, it was a bit frustrating because it was holiday time and I wanted to get to where I was going, but I still enjoyed myself. I was on holiday, I didn't have to work, I was thinking about family and friends that I'd see, and yeah, listened to some good music, so I was happy. If you got some good ideas how you could speak about this topic, why don't you try looking at this next video here to give you some more?